stop. If you're thinking about buying Faith AI, there's something you need to know first. Faith AI claims that it can create sermons, devotionals, Bible studies, and prayers, journals, and builds the entire faith website from just one prompt. So the real question is, can it actually save time while producing quality content? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what is Faith AI, what's inside, the pros and cons, who should buy it, who shouldn't. Also, I'm going to reveal 2 exclusive bonuses worth over $500 that you'll receive completely free if you decide to get Faith AI through my link. Let's find out. What's Faith AI? Faith AI is an AI-powered content creation platform built specifically for people creating an inspirational, faith-focused, educational, devotional, or community-based digital content. Whether you're creating blog posts, social media content, devotionals, ebooks, lesson materials, emails, or marketing content, Faith AI is designed to speed up the entire process using AI automation. Benefits. Why people are interested. Because today, content is everything. People constantly need fresh posts, emails, articles, videos, graphics, and educational resources. Faith AI helps to reduce workload by generating ideas, writing drafts, improving productivity, and allowing creators to publish more consistently. Inside Faith AI, you'll get AI writing tools, content generators, creative templates, automation features, editing assistants, and resources that help you create polished content much faster. Everything is organized to make the workflow beginner-friendly without requiring complicated software. Honest pros and cons. Now, let's talk honestly. Pros. Beginner-friendly. Saves significant content creation time. Helps overcome writer's block. Produces content quickly. Suitable for creators, educators, marketers, and online businesses. And AI-powered automation simplifies repetitive work. Cons. No software is perfect. Faith. AI still works best when you review and personalize the generated content. Adding your own experience, stories, and voice will always create stronger results than relying entirely on AI. Results. What to expect. If you're expecting instant success with zero effort, this isn't magic. But if you're willing to use the AI consistently, customize the content, and publish regularly, Faith AI can help in faster content creation, greater consistency, and more opportunities to grow your audience or business. And now, here are my exclusive bonuses if you purchase Faith AI through my link. Bonus 1. AI Content Growth Blueprint. Value $297. You'll learn content planning, optimization, productivity shortcuts, and simple strategies to publish consistently. Bonus 2. AI Prompt Vault for Creators. Value $247. Get a massive collection of professionally written AI prompts for blog posts, social media, emails, videos, ebooks, marketing campaigns, and inspirational content. Simply copy, paste, and customize. Total bonus value, $500 plus yours free when you get Faith AI through my link today. So, is Faith AI worth buying? If you're someone who regularly creates content and wants to save time while improving productivity, Faith AI appears to offer a practical solution. It's beginner-friendly, AI-powered, and designed to simplify the content creation process. Yes, Faith AI could be a worthwhile addition to your toolkit. Don't forget to check the link in the description to claim Faith AI, along with my exclusive $500+ bonus package before it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.